Dual-powered cleaning. EcoVax DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni. Exclusive OZMO roller mopping technology. Stains removed by the ultimate mopping dominance. With the instant self-washing structure, no more cross-contamination. Fueled by the Super Boost battery, energizing the first ever blast solution. Powerful suction effortlessly extracts dust or even larger particles. Our clean anti-tangle side brush, paired with cyclone-directed anti-tangle main brush. Together, they ignite the third generation of zero-tangle anti-tangle system. Dual-powered flagship robotic vacuum cleaner. DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni. Blast the dirt, roll to shine.